We are tracking the tropics on this Tuesday morning. Gert has strengthened into the season's second hurricane now.
Meteorologist Dave Warren is in for Lisette Gonzalez. He has the latest on Gert, and that's not all we're watching in the Atlantic. Dave, good morning.
Right, a few areas that are a big concern here. First, Gert moving north at 12 miles an hour, expected to turn to the northeast here later today. So we'll continue to track between Bermuda and the east coast. It is creating some rough surf there in the Outer Banks, and that could continue as Gert moves north and then to the northeast. So all the way up through New England could see that risk of rip currents and the rough surf. Also in the tropical Atlantic, still showing some signs of development, but nothing significant yet as far as a named system. That area of low pressure continues to move slowly to the west. Heat index today 100 to 105. We have these spotty storms and of course the tropics. We are tracking that there in the Atlantic and through the Caribbean. As far as the temperatures go, another warm start today. Similar to yesterday, we have lower 80s. We're headed for the 90s. Showers and storms to develop with the sea breeze as that moves inland, but things are pretty quiet for right now. Looks like you're in the clear until about this afternoon, where those temperatures really start to jump up into the 90s.